Hi everyone, I am Shubhamoy and this is going to be a very short video about VS Code. So basically you can now access your favorite code editor VS Code from your browser. So just go to this link vscode.dev, press enter and you will be redirected to this web version of VS Code. And the best thing about this is you can even sync the settings of your VS Code which is installed in your local machine to this web version. Just simply go to this settings, click on this second last option which is settings sync is on. Go here, and if you are not logged in you will find an option where you will be asked to sign in. Just sign in with your Gmail account or GitHub account and you are good to go with it. So yeah, this was all for this video where I will show you my VS Code which is installed in my local machine. So this is the desktop version of my VS Code and this is the web version of this VS Code. I have synced both of them. So yeah, this was all for this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Take care.